Headed down the Georgia Traverse today. It's my birthday. We just pulled off onto Burles Ford Road and we're about to get started here. It's raining. I've been down this part of it once before in my 100 series, but we're gonna take the 80 out and see what's up and share it with you guys. The Georgia Traverse is like almost 400 miles, 390 miles, so we're not gonna do all that today because we've got to be home to go to a birthday dinner. A map showing that the old Burles Ford Road went down here. So, nothing more than a few puddles to splash in. So, you did get to pass that creek. That's pretty. It's kind of muddy right now because it's actively raining. What we're getting on now, Forest Service Road 646. We'll turn back right out of here and keep going the way we were going. Just gonna stop and show you the Chattooga here. It's beautiful. I just drove across this bridge. Now this one's just labeled unknown trail. Persimmon Gap, maybe? Now I'm hoping this, it looks like it might go down to a creek called Reed Creek. So I'm hoping we might get a cool little spot. Maybe we can stop and set up and have a little lunch. Ah, there is a creek. Lunch spot by the creek. All right. Well, we got us a nice spot here by the river and our creek. We're gonna have us some lunch and then maybe take a dip. Cheers. The Georgia Traverse has not disappointed. Nice and refreshing. It's very chill. Yes. I'm having a great birthday. I'm gonna get packed up here and get on down the trail. The trail getting back here to the creek is moderate. If you're in a Subaru or something, that may not work for you. But, oh, we've got quite the tree down here. We're just gonna squeeze through here. All right, just to keep everybody updated, we just turned off of 28 onto War Woman Road, and now we're gonna attempt to go up Overflow Creek. I just got up to here. There's a gate that's open. Forest Service 86D. Let's see how far we can get up this road. It's pretty tight. Holy moly. I just made the mistake of looking down beside me and the road was barely there. So I can see why at some point this road was closed. And I'm hoping but I don't have to turn around back here because it's pretty tight. Okay, so we got some trees. Let me take a look at this. I got a saw. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. We rolled up on this 86D and we got a tree down. So I can cut it, but should I? Time to make a decision. What do you think we should do? Should we cut through this, cut this trail out, clear it? Or it's a pretty good turnaround spot here. We could just duck back and get back on 86. Now I get to see where this road goes instead of turning around being like, well, it was cool, the gate was open, but there was a couple branches in the way. I'm covered in sawdust and sweat, but this 86D is, besides the tree being down, it's a pretty neat little trail, but some of the switchbacks go right beside a sheer ledge. Like if the road were to leave from out from under you, it'd be a bad thing, you know. You see, I am wearing my seatbelt because I am driving next to quite the drop. It's getting pretty tight. Getting pretty tight. I'm gonna push through a little more and hope it gets better, but It's gotten to the point where my LandCruiser is too wide for this trail. I hate to stop. I always want to know what's around that turn. Ooh, this trail it's like hasn't been used in ages, and I'm scared I'm gonna run out of saw battery. And let me show you this. We've gone all the way up Stony Mountain, and we come back down. Currently about 2,600 feet, and look, we're right here at Sandy Gap. Now 28 is right there. That's 500, 1,000. We're maybe 1,500 feet from Highway 28, and I have no idea where it's going to come out at. Hopefully this comes out and I can get on the highway. I'm going to try to go to the right there and avoid that. There we go. So what we've done, unfortunately, I did mess up the driver's door and the driver's back door of my LandCruiser. I'm gonna see if I can get those dents out or get me another door. These things happen, but it's okay. You win some, you lose some. I still had a good time. Just wasn't the best. I wouldn't recommend it. Okay. Oh wow. It's looking good. Looking good. I'm not even joking, guys. It really is looking good. Let's see if I can. I really need to move that to get